Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is March the 24th and I'm using my new Pipsnagger trading system. If you remember, it's the one that has the Heikin-Ashi candles on the top. And don't forget the most important indicator, the TZ indicator. I call it a magic indicator as it helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I call this up and down movement the flow of the market, and this you must learn to succeed at trading the markets. Now I took these trades, I believe 3 of them around 6:30 and all the rest between 8 and 8:30 in the morning. And I closed them all out with one click of the mouse at 9:36 here using my close all script. I can show that to you. It's right here. You just bring it up, make sure the smiley face is on or this button is clicked on, make sure it's green. All you got to do is click OK. Then it closes everything in the trade terminal down. And it's a very handy tool to have. And if you want to get your hands on it for free, well, I'll give it to you for free. Just send me an email with your name and your email address. Just request that you want the close all script and I'll send it back to you for free. Handy tool as it shuts everything down with one click of the mouse. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, approximately between 6 and 7, I'm doing my daily trade plan. You must do the same thing or again you'll probably fail at trading. Let's take a look at this daily trade plan. This plan is for March the 24th, 22. There's 21 instruments here. I did 10 of them, and for sure there's a few more in here, probably at least 8 more that paid off. That would be somewhere around 80% success rate. All you got to do is get in at the beginning of the cycle and away it goes. So all these trades were taken directly from the daily trade plan. So let's see now. Now if you don't have a daily trade plan, well, I highly recommend you get your hands on it. And if you don't know how to make one, well, just get in contact with me and you can receive this daily trade plan. Keep in mind I do charge $100 a month for it. Well worth it. Look at all the pips. I'm making hundreds of pips a day directly from my daily trade plan. This is well over 300 pips again today. Now out of these 10 trades, one was a loser. As my mentor taught me many years ago, keep your losers small and your winners bigger. And that is the name of the game. Once you get to that level, then you are part of the 5% of the traders out there who've made it as a trader. So let's run a check. Euro New Zealand. Drag and drop this up. At one point I was making money. If I would have waited for the next candle, it would have again be positive. But when you close everything out with one click of the mouse, you grab whatever it says there. And that's the way trading goes. I ended up losing. Remember, this is negative. So let's say minus 4 pips, and that is a minus $277. Now we can get into the winners. Pound New Zealand. There's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I did get in. I waited until things started looking better for going down. If I would have stayed in the trade a little bit longer, I could have made a lot more. But I was happy when I closed the trade And it looks like only 3 pips. And those 3 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $208. Okay, moving on to the dollar CAD. I sold them all, by the way, except for this pound yen. So anyhow, see where I got in at. Got in near the beginning of the cycle. It was on this candle right here, would have been the beginning. But anyhow, took the trade at that cursor, was up a lot, gave back, would have been up a lot, but I closed out the trade somewhere in the middle, locking in 6 pips, and those 6 pips on the dollar CAD paid $477. Okay, let's try this pound Swiss pair. Another one I sold it. Let's see where I got in at. Finally, I decided to take the trade. Got in at this location. Closed it out, just being happy as usual. Looks like this one was 6 pips also. 6 pips paid out $644. Looking at all these trades down here, you should be able to realize by now that the Forex pairs, generally as a rule, pays out a lot less than the trades all from here going down. The futures pays a lot more. Pound yen, let's take a look at that trade. This one here moved pretty good. Let's see where I got in at. I bought it, as I mentioned earlier. Everything was screaming to buy, so I bought it. And I closed it out being happy with, looks like 30 pips. And 30 pips paid out $2,462. Now let's get into the futures. Nasdaq pays $20 a pip. This is one of the instruments that you can trade, which in one trade you can actually double your account, along with the DAX 30, and the Russell. If you want some more information on how you can double your account in one trade, well, just get in contact with me and I'll explain it to you. Let's see where I got in. Here we go, took the trade. Should be 18, and there it is, 18 right there, bang, right on. You ignore the last 2 digits, 18 times 20 times 10 lots. That is why you see $3,600. Trading is easy and a lot of fun with my Pipsnagger trading system. Basically, it's the 4 indicators at the bottom. There's 3 plus including the Heikin-Ashi, whether it's candles on top or bars on the bottom. But those 4 right there, that's including the bulls and the bears, the timing indicator, the magic indicator, TZ, and that is the driving force that actually transforms my system into the Holy Grail trading system. Love it. S&P 500. Here we go. There's the arrow. Wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I got in at. Looking pretty good. And I closed it out. This trade just being happy with should be 70. Let's see. I'm going to get a calculator because I want to make sure I get that right. So it's showing a 70 something. Now I just used a calculator, took the money, divided it by $5, pays $5 a pip, and that worked out to be exactly 725 pips or ticks. And that paid out, those 725 paid out $3,625. And by the way, this S&P 500 not every day of the week, but many days is another instrument that you can double your account with. So what it boils down to is Nasdaq, S&P, the DAX 30, and the Russell here. Those, if you focus on those four, you can easily double your account minimum every day, as long as you're trading maximum lots for your account size. Moving right along, DAX 30. DAX 30. I'm going to go down to the 5 minutes, because this one here I definitely need a calculator for. Let's see where I got in at. Little moves pays a lot. I'm going to get a calculator out. Now the calculator indicated for the one standard lot, of course, that was 125, but because I did 10 standard lots, well, you just add another 0. But anyhow, from there to there, let's see. Let's see if I can get it a little bit close. It's very hard to get it on, but it's 125. That's what it is. 125. And then times the $3.75 for each tick, times 10 lots, and that is why you see $4,687. Okay, let's move on to the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 a pip. It's another one I sold according to my daily trade plan. Did one more cycle, and then there it went. Let's see. Bring the blue box in. Let's see where I got in at, right here. And I closed it out on this cursor. Looks like around 100. That would be right, because 100 times 5 is 500 times 10 lots. That's why you see $5,050 there. Let's move on to the Russell, another one that you can trade and double your account in one trade. See where I got in at. Bring the blue box in properly. Here we go. $10 a pip. That should be 113. So let's see. There it is. 113. Remove the last digit. 113 pips paid out $11,300. Okay, fantastic. So another fantastic day of trading. I just added up all the pips and ticks. As I said earlier, it's at least, and I knew for sure it was going to be well over 300. It's actually 1,122 pips, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $31,777. So if your system's not producing like my pip snagger, well, I suggest you get your hands on it, and don't forget the daily trade plan. If you want to get some more information, all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up. Pip snagger system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market, and that I get a lot of help with because of this magic TZ indicator. My system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. Now all of this stuff is just bonus stuff with a lot of material and education. It's going to help you to succeed at trading as long as you do the homework. Don't be lazy, you have to do the homework. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 50 training videos. They're about 20 minutes long each one. Now you can put the video on pause, read everything here. If you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and we will have a connection. And don't worry, you don't even have to download Skype. It'll automatically give us a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, and give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So, that's just about it for this video. Time to wrap it up. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next video and trading day, which hopefully will be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.